morning, everybody. I literally am about to head to my last day of a rotation. I basically had to make up some time because I went and got my second dose and literally was not feeling good at all from the vaccine. But as you can see, I just wanted to let you guys know. So now it's officially been a little over 24 hours, probably like what, almost 36 hours, and it already started. I don't know if you guys can actually see, but it already started to like flake. I'm not sure if you guys are really able to tell. I'm trying to focus the camera. It already started to flake, kind of like at the top areas, like right here. But of course, once it starts flaking, you're not supposed to touch anything. You're literally supposed to kind of just let it do its thing, let it run its course. I obviously had makeup on yesterday and it looked really good when I had my makeup on. Right now, I'm really liking the color and all that stuff. So I'm excited to kind of see the transition of how everything is going to look once it's all said and done. But yes, I just wanted to let you guys know, after 24 hours, I've already seen it starting to slowly try to flake off. But not gonna touch it, just gonna continue putting the vitamin A and D on it and just kind of go with the flow in that sense. As you guys can see, I'm hurting right now, okay? Last night was the last night I was gonna basically see everyone again, and decided to see them and hang out with them one last time. That's why my voice kind of sounds like this, a little raspy, because last night was a fun time. And yeah, it's crazy to think like this is the last time I'll be together with my classmates, kind of like ever, unless if I see them at conferences and things like that. Let me head on down and finish off this last rotation. I will catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, so today is actually, what day is today? Tuesday. Sorry, I'm all over the place because not many of you guys know. I'm not sure if I already updated you guys, but I basically had to move back to Jersey now and actually kind of like start the next chapter of my life. But I was in Florida, had to finish some school rotations, and then now I'm back for good. But basically what I wanted to update you guys on is my ombre brows. As you can see, like it's clearly like, let me see, let me zoom in. It's clearly at this point flaking off. I'm not sure if you guys are able to really tell. This one started first, my right one, and now the left is actually flaking off a little bit more. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. Sorry guys, the sun is like in my eyes. But it's flaking off, which was definitely something that I already knew was going to happen. And I'm also trying to get the right lighting. I'm in the car right now. But I already knew this was going to happen. This is one of the processes. So once it flakes off, it's going to appear lighter. And then after it appears lighter, then it'll actually go to its natural color. It takes about 2 weeks for the whole process to go through. So this is the phase that I'm not officially on. Today I have a lot of stuff to kind of get done. I need to do like a paper for research. I need to do my actual job. And then also sign a few contracts. Because if I haven't already like said anything about this on my channel, I officially have matched into residency. And the road is near, like the end is near. I am going to be a doctor. Like at this point, I am pretty much a doctor. I'm just waiting for my diploma and graduation and all that jazz. But today is National Doctors Day, and it's kind of cool to be like a part of this now. You know, I'm gonna be no longer a student and all that stuff. And ironically, we got an email to sign up for our NPI number, which is kind of like a social security number for doctors. But yeah, on National Doctors Day, I'm super excited. I honestly can't wait for this journey. I can't wait for this like amazing like life experience and everything that I've always wanted. It's finally happening, and it's crazy. So I definitely am going to take you guys with me throughout this journey, of course, and that way you can kind of get a glimpse of my life and the fact that you can literally still have it all. You can follow your dreams, you can do what you want to do, as long as you stay like determined, as long as you kind of keep your eyes on the prize and don't ever give up. And that's what I'm trying to show you guys in terms of my channel. I want to show you guys that you can always work hard, but you should always make time for self-care, time for things that you love, hobbies, and also to live your life. Like, you know, life is a bundle of different experiences put together that makes you who you are. And I have so much coming up, like so much. Like, you guys have no idea. This next few like months is gonna be kind of insane because I'll be wrapping up school, I'll be graduating, a whole bunch of stuff. But I just wanted to originally catch up with you guys and tell you guys my eyebrows are flaking, but then here we are. And also my skin is just very oily. That's just another thing I'm gonna have to figure out, like how to kind of calm down the oils. But I will catch up with you guys later. So I just wanted to check in and show you guys that the peeling on my eyebrows has like basically completely almost gone away. And today has been exactly 1 week since I've gotten it done. And so far I'm excited with the results. It just feels so weird that I can literally touch my eyebrows and like nothing. Like, it doesn't wipe off. It's crazy. It's crazy to think that I can just wake up and have eyebrows. Also, I am actually preparing for a trip later on this month to celebrate my graduation. And I'm super excited because there's a few things that I bought from Amazon, which I will definitely show you guys in this video. First is a waist trainer because listen, honey, I will look snatched, okay? I'm going to look snatched. And I feel like no matter how many workouts I do, literally my lower stomach is my trouble area. And I don't gain weight like normal people who they gain a few pounds but they still look amazing. No, I look like I'm like 8 months pregnant when I gain weight because it all goes to the front of my stomach. So that needs to go. So I'm literally drinking green juice, kombucha regularly, obviously keeping my water intake up high, and then also eating salads, eating healthy. But then I was like, for that little oomph and that little boost, definitely started wearing a waist trainer. So let me actually show you guys if I can. Right now I have it on. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Let me just untuck this. But right now I have it on, and as you can see, it's kind of like an all black one. It goes pretty low. Let's see this. It goes pretty low, as you can see, and it wraps around the back. But basically, I got it in a size small, and there's different hooks, as you can see. Right now, I put it on the second hook, and this is so it goes like 1, which is the loosest, 2, which is like medium tightness, and then 3. So obviously, like as you're losing the weight in the inches, you then move it to the 3rd one. Right now I put on the 2nd one because I don't know, I feel like I use a lot of like those sweatbands and stuff like that. So for me, it's honestly like normal and easy for me to get used to, so I just put it the tightness. But I did read in a review on Amazon that some girl said that she was wearing it day in and day out and she got results quickly. So listen, I'm here to get these results like this. So I have 28 days until my vacation, and I need to make sure I look snatched, especially with these bathing suits I just ordered, which I will do a haul for you guys. I bought bathing suits, few outfits. I still need to get some sandals. I need to get sunglasses because I lost them in Key West. But a few more things that I need to get for this trip, and I'm super excited. You guys will obviously get the vlog for that. I'm going to keep the location and the destination a secret so that when you guys see the vlog, you guys can kind of try to guess to see where we'll be heading. There's actually quite a bunch of us. We pretty much picked the hotel, and then everyone kind of like booked their room, and the flight kind of gave everybody like, all right, these are the dates we're going. You guys, if you can come, and you know, let's come celebrate with me. This has been a long time coming. I'm super excited to graduate. So many great things are happening right now. Honestly, I'm supposed to be working, so I'm gonna take you guys back to the living room area. But yeah, I'm supposed to be working. Basically, I don't know if I've ever clarified for you guys, but I do have I basically have 2 jobs while I'm in school. One of them is to be basically like a medical transcriptionist, so that's what I'm doing right now, and the other one is tied in with research, which I was so blessed and thankful that I have, you know, people in my profession that I can like go to and look up to, and mentors and whatnot, in order to help me kind of bridge the gap. I think I touched on this a long time ago in different videos, but for people that are new or people that don't know, I have a background in undergrad for biochemistry, and then I also got my master's in biopharmaceutical engineering. So now I'm going for my doctorate in podiatry and basically trying to figure out how to bridge the gap and kind of find a career, find a path or a niche in order to bring all of those degrees together in a type of manner, which I'm still trying to figure out, of course, and which I'm excited for the journey, so I'll bring you guys along. But I will definitely link this down below because my friend Steph, who actually gifted your girl with some eyebrows, told me about this waist trainer, and I think I paid like $30 something. I got a size small. For anyone that's trying to figure out what size to get, I'm 5'5". I weigh 148. I swear I'm blaming it on Miami because I was in like the 130s. I literally gained 10 pounds going back down to school for a month. Like, that's horrible. But okay. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm excited. Listen, I'm losing those 10 pounds. Listen, I'm trying to lose 15 in a month. We're gonna try to figure it out. If I need to do the military diet again, which I have done, I will do it to get to that point. But yeah, and then I'm also excited because I also bought a dip nail kit because, as you can see, my nails are complete. Ooh, my fingers are ashy. That was embarrassing. I always have lotion by me, but that was real embarrassing. But anyway, I was doing some dishes before and I like to hand wash my dishes. But here we go. So, ooh, this is some serious ash. Okay, so as you can see, I feel like this, okay, no, it's just the camera. I was like, I feel like this ashiness is not going away, but it's the camera. But anyways, you can see my nails are completely grown out. I got them done before I went to Miami like a month ago. So I decided that I'm like in a DIY type of mood. I'm trying to figure out how to do my own nails. My eyebrows, I don't have to worry about them anymore. I started doing my own hair, which I will make a video for you guys. I honestly just want to test it out myself and see how this goes before I even try to do. This is like a beginner tutorial before I even try to show that. So and then also maintenance is, as you can see, I'm very low maintenance. This is whoever, any type of hairstylist that come across my channel probably having a heart attack right now because this hair is clearly not maintained. I just put it in a braid and I'm trying to get work done. And then yeah, so there's a few things I'm super excited. I honestly can't wait for my clothes to come in and the things I ordered from Fashion Nova and Pretty Little Thing and Matte Collection. So I'm like, come on, give me my stuff already. But I'm excited and I will keep you guys posted. I need to do this work. I need to work. You know, I'm just trying to get flued out, okay? I just want to be flued out, taken care of, okay? No, I'm just saying, I'm saying that now, and then watch. If you're ever in a situation where the man controls all the money, I don't think I'd like that situation. But I will catch up with you guys soon, and